When the customer brought their car in with the check engine light on, I started by connecting a scan tool to diagnose the issue. The scan tool showed codes P0171 and P0174, which indicate that the system is running too lean in both Bank 1 and Bank 2. To investigate further, I monitored the live data at idle using the scan tool and observed that the mass airflow AF sensor signal was erratic. I inspected the air intake system for any obvious faults, such as leaks or obstructions, but found nothing unusual. Next, I visually inspected the MAF sensor, but there were no clear signs of damage or contamination. To dig deeper, I backprobed the MAF sensor and monitored its signal on a lab scope while the engine was idling. The signal confirmed that the readings from the sensor were unstable and erratic. To rule out issues with power or ground connections to the sensor, I used a multimeter with the engine off, but the key on. Both voltage and ground were present, which indicated the wiring and connections were functioning properly. Finally, I removed the MAF sensor for a closer inspection, but found no debris or visible contamination on the sensing element itself. These findings confirmed that the MAF sensor was faulty, as it was providing incorrect readings despite having proper power and ground connections and a clean intake path. I replaced the MAF sensor, cleared the fault codes, and took the vehicle for a road test. Afterward, I verified that the vehicle operated properly, the check engine light stayed off, and no codes returned. This confirmed the issue was resolved.